Right now, you might be wondering, what the heck is going on? Well, here's the answer. I don't know. So don't ask that question again. But yeah. Ah! 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 Ow! That hurts. At least I'm shark-proof. What is this? What is this? Oh, it's a fire. It looked so dark for a second. Like, actually. Yeah, usually those sharks, like, they grapple onto your head. And, like, don't come off until you die. So, yeah. Hi, let me start the intro. Hi guys, welcome back to a new video. My name is Koala King Plays, and today's we are playing Tornado Alley. If you don't know what that is, it's like a Roblox game. And also in real life, it's a certain area. It's like a certain like shape covering a bunch of different areas where tornadoes mostly happen. I am playing with my friend PokeFan Sam. He just joined. Like I don't know. Alright, stop talking. And he left immediately. Beautiful. All right, so. This game's really fun. I recommend playing it. And sorry for like not linking all those channels in the description from the last video. So I'll do that this video. We're going to a hotel or a summer camp. Which one will it be? Yeah, we're going to summer camp. I know it says Roblox State Park. And it is like the first map, but it's basically a summer camp. The funny thing is, no one even chose Fort Blocks. We ain't going to war yet. Yeah, see, it's basically like a summer camp. All the things about summer camp, except there's an extremely fast tornado. Extremely fast moving tornado. Hey, we can rock climb. That's cool. Yeah. Oh gosh, it was stormy. Fire extinguisher. A bat. Seriously? No, mine. There's nothing in here. No. Paige. Don't you dare. There's nothing in here but a bed. Or I'm gonna sleep at night. This is how most people sleep. This is what most people look like when they're on fire also. I'm gonna move this over here. Yeah, like that. That's good. What is this thing? Oh shoot, it's a tornado alarm. Where's the, oh shoot. No. No. Look how fast this thing moves. Oh heck no! I gotta stay away from corners or else I'm gonna literally get like struck by like very strong lightning. Well, how can it travel across the wall? Oh gosh, that boat just got obliterated. Ooh, I'm not gonna go over here. Oh, there's someone that's paralyzed. I must. No! I broke my leg! No! Foxy Cola! Give me help! Ow! I broke my leg! No! No! Also, you can't sprint while with a broken leg. Help me! Help me! No. No. My Bloxy Cola is gone! Oh no. Oh no, I'm gone! I'm a goner! Ow! I gotta stay in this cabin. I must stay in this car. Let me in, let me in, let me in. Alright. I can't crouch. Good thing this storm is almost over. If you want more epicness like this. Oh my gosh. Then like and subscribe and check the game. And check out the game. Link in the description. I'm actually gonna put it in the description this time. Yeah. Someone lived. Just kidding, died. What the heck is that? What is that noise? There are meteors? What? Alright, now I'm actually dead. I'm actually dead. That's I think it has a blast radius of 450. Oh my god. I gotta get out of here. Should I be going that way? I don't know. Well, here's a ton of destruction. Also, there are other disasters in this game. Extras that you can buy. Alright. Oh shoot! Ah! Oh my gosh! No, no, no. Oh my god! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! No, no, no! Oh my god! I just got yeeted. And then decapitated. Where is this guy? Oh, it's my friend. He was just killed. Hi. I got my channel back. Ooh, I accidentally entered the map. Hey, I have my cola. 12 perished. and 5 survived during the meteors. Oh my god. Shout out to this dude. Burp, burp, burpity burp, burp. I have some videos that I'm gonna post that I've already recorded. So, yeah. No. Do chicken NATO. Wait, is there an admin in here? I mean, I've met an admin in the not in the channel, sorry. In game before. Please, or I will have something bad. We're going to war, boys! Pico. Blip, 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 blip. Yes, sir, we're going to the war zone. Yes, Splat, love chicken. Loves I'm gonna leave to play Flickr. Delete. Yes, sir. I used to be the strongest one at this camp. Why am I sounding like this? Alright, what's it going to be? Double trouble? That's gonna create a lot of rubble. Alright, I'm gonna stop. I'm sorry. Fire extinguisher. Where's the shelter key? All I found was another fire extinguisher. I remember in one of the bases, there was what's it called? A shelter key. Shelter keys? He found the Runner found the shelter key? No! I mean, yes, but no! I'm done for. I don't know where it is. Where's the crash site of the UFO? Oh, crap. All I have to hope is not an How did this big... All I have to hope is that this tornado isn't an EF 3, 4, or 5. And like, and only EF 0, 1, and 2. That looks like an EF 3. Or something a lot bigger. Hopefully it's just an EF 2 though. EF 0 and 4? That's actually a 4? Where's the darn crash site? Also, these tornadoes, they technically have eyes. If they spot you, both tornadoes will come after you. It's a good thing I got blocks of cola. Hear ye, hear ye. Hear ye, hear ye. We can't hear ye. Alright. My objective is to find the shelter key and find the base. If I can survive the initial storm, then I can survive what else is coming. Oh, yes, the crash site. Wait, this is not the crash site. This is the destruction of the tornado! No! Where's the key? There's a shelter, and if you find the shelter key, you can go in that shelter for the whole entire round. If you find that during really hard to beat rounds like Doomsday or Your Doom, then it can be really helpful. Where is the key? Alright, let's face it, they already took, whoever took them, already took all of them. Bro, this is the skinniest tornado I've seen. Where's the shelter? I got key. I think that's gonna be useless. Well, I found everyone else. Wait. Oh. Well, next time. So, I'm going to do it one more time. And then I'm going to end the video. Aww. Actually, yeah, I'm going to end the video right here. So, thank you guys for watching. Hopefully you like it. If you did, please do more vids. Because there will be more vids. Like, subscribe, and turn on post notifications. So you'll be notified whenever I make a new video. I'll see you guys next time. Sorry. Bye. Yeah.